Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monitask, which is one of the most effective employee monitoring and time tracking tools for freelancers, remote teams and businesses. So whether you are a team lead tracking project hours or a freelancer needing proof of work, Monitask actually gives you simple tools to track time, screenshots, activity, and productivity all in one place. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to set up Monitask, use the dashboard, track your tasks, view the activity reports, and manage your team. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, before proceeding, make sure you check out the useful links that are used here in this video in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you can either click on the link that is given in the description, or you can open your web browser and search for monitask.com. Now, once you are on this page, you will see this sign up for free option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to click on this option, then provide your first name, your last name, your email address, and create a strong password for your account. After filling this form, simply click on this sign up option, and then it will ask you about, let's start with your organization. So you need to choose whether you are signing up as a team member or as an admin or a manager. Let's say I want to start with this. Then you need to provide your admin email address, or if you select the second option, you will have to fill out these details. So here, after providing your company name, you need to provide the phone number over here. Then you need to select the company and press continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, after creating your account, you will land in the Monitask dashboard, and this is your control center for the project's time logs, screenshots, and activity. Now, over here, once you were creating your account, you have seen a download option. So to begin tracking time, you will need to install the Monitask desktop application, which is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Team members use this application to track the time while working. It actually includes the task selection, timer, screenshots, capture, activity level like keyboard or mouse usage. So here we need to understand the dashboard. So this is the dashboard where you can simply click on this delete demo data in order to delete all of these details in the right hand section. Here in the left hand section, you will see timeline option. So if you click on the timeline option, you will be able to view all of your members teams data, like which application they are using, their internet usage time, their free time, etc. So this is the demo dashboard, but your actual dashboard should also look something like this. Now we have the users tab here. So if you click on users, you will be able to manage all of the users that are actually working in your team. In order to add a new user, you need to click on the add new user option in the top right hand corner, and you can either add the single user here or import the information in bulk. If you select the single user option, you need to provide the employee's first name, last name, his email address, role, position, date, and bunch of other details. Then click on the submit option. Once this is done, your added user list will become in this particular table. So here in the dashboard left hand section, you will see a bunch of other options as well, like reports, creating the tasks, projects. So we will go through each one of these one by one. So once this particular dashboard is installed successfully, the team members can basically open the Monitask application and select the task or the projects and click on the start option. The app begins login time, tracking the periodic screenshots and tracking the activity levels. There is no keystroke login, just active versus idle time. This actually ensures privacy and transparency. When the work is done, just click on the stop button and the time will be logged to that project. Now here in the admin dashboard, if you click on the projects option, you will be able to see all of the projects that your team member have created. Basically, this section is going to be your project management section. So over here, you will find all of the project names that are currently running and who is actually doing that project, the status, and bunch of other details here. So if you want to create a new project, just like adding the new user, you can add a single project, or you can add a bulk project, or you can import from CSV. So if you click on the option of adding a single project, it will redirect you on this page where you need to provide your project name, select the members, teams, clients, select your project budget. After that, you need to fill out a bunch of other details like starting date, ending date, priority, status queue. So here, after providing these details, you can also provide the description and attachment and click on the submit option. After doing so, your added project will come in this list and you will be able to manage it from here very easily. If you want to delete any of the projects from this list, you can also do that by clicking on this delete option right next to it. If you want to edit it, simply click on this edit option and you can make changes into this data. So here next we have the option of tasks. So if you click on the tasks option, you will see all of the tasks that are assigned to your team members. So these are the sources, the task name, the project name. So here again, if you want to add a new task in your table, you just have to click on this add new tasks option, then click on add single tasks. Over here you will have to fill out this form that includes providing your task name and a bunch of other details like priority, status, starting date, time, description, and the attachments, and click on the submit option. So you can also decide to whom you are actually assigning this particular task, and with the help of these filters in the top, you can basically filter out the projects here. Like this is Kisco, and you will see all of the filtered data here. You can also filter it out with the member to whom you have assigned this particular project. You will also filter it out with the to do, in progress, and done. If you want to see all of your deleted tasks, you can also do that by using this toggle button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, if you click on the reports option, you will be able to basically generate the time worked per project, the timesheets per employee, ideal time breakdowns. So this can actually be exported into the form of media for Excel. It is perfect for payrolls, billings, and the internal productivity reviews. So you can just click on any of these one by one and you will see the related information of that particular thing. Next, we have the option of team management. So under the team members, you will see the team management, in which you can basically add the users, which I have shown you previously how you can add the users here. Now, if you want to make any of the changes into the settings of your Monitask dashboard, you can click on the settings option, and from here you can provide the company name, you can choose the logo, and you can provide a bunch of these details like location tracking, task removing, and so on. You will see a bunch of different options. So if you click on the more option, you can basically manage your team and just take a look at the breaks, financial, and bunch of other information. So this is how you can basically start using Monitask in 2025. So if you have found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.